Hello learners, we discuss about structured problem solving 8D method, that is the root cause analysis and corrective action implementation plan, and this is one of the analytical tool that is used for the problem solving. Friends, please subscribe to Yadhyan. Friends, why to do 8D? There is a one famous thing, blind man and elephant. What this means is there are blind men which try to touch the object and try to identify. If you see, this lady says it's a snake, but actually it's a not snake. So they try to touch different part of the elephants, different, and then they try to identify as per their thinking. But the problem are often differently received by different people. So different people thinks in different way, and if they can't see it properly, they think it differently. So why to use 80? It is to find the root cause and deliver permanent solutions. Also to satisfy customers. If you have less problem, then customer will be more satisfied. To reduce recurring problem and improve the practices that can improve the performance of the product, and also it can reduce or eliminate a fixed culture and focus on permanent elimination of the problem. There is a one saying by Benjamin Franklin that if you fail to plan, you are planning to fail. That means if you yourself think that you are going to fail, then you plan accordingly, or if you plan to fail, then you are definitely going to fail. You don't have any success probability. So we have to plan for solving the problem, and that is what it is, and it's called a planning. So 8D process involves 8 different steps. 1D is the first step, and if you see there are 8 different steps here. So first step is team formation. We will see one by one. So why to form a team? So there is another saying by Michael Jordan that talent wins the game, but teamwork wins the championship. So means individual can win the game, but if you want to win the championship, you need a proper teamwork. If you have proper team, then only you will have a better result and better goal achieved. Because as an individual you think differently and only in particular direction only, whereas if you work in a team it will have very good brainstorming and very good ideas that will come out. So oftenly the team is a group of employees performing similar or related projects who work together on a regular basis to discuss a topic, uh, or they meet at each other at workplaces so that they can discuss the problem regularly. They work for that product. So team can be formed of different people from different functions who are working in the plant, and also it can be set up by a management to look into an issue faced by the customer and resolve it. Now to define a problem we need to follow some steps. So process flow diagram to be defined the process. So identify the current data to describe the problem or failure. Then define the high level processes or a process flow for that particular problem. Then collect the current and historical data to quantify the problem. Then describe the problem in terms of operational definition. Then discuss with the customer to ensure the correctness. Has the problem scope been defined for all strategic factors? If it is defined, then go further and ensure that the 5W to H been done. 5W means who, why, when, where, and 2H means how. And here, if the problem scope has been not defined, if it is not defined, then go back and collect again the current historical data to quantify the problem and go in this cycle till you define the problem and verify the problem statement. Then take a interim action. Here establish the decision criteria, then define the select tree matrix, test for feasibility and choose the best ICA interim corrective actions, and go in this flow chart till the not needed effect or problem being eliminated. If it is eliminated, continue to monitor ICA. If it is not eliminated, again go back into the loop. Similarly, here in the fourth step, if you has the not needed effect or problem been isolated from internal or external customer, if it has been not eliminated, then again go back and come back again in this loop. This is how it is to be used. Then identify the root cause, that is the 4D. And here you can see we only see the symptoms, and then there is a problem, but there are some causes which are in the roots of this tree. So we see tree as an outcome, but the input is inside the causes in the root, so that we need to find out. Then take the corrective action 5D. Here we can use different method. Here we can use selection criteria matrix. 1 is for bad and 10 is for good. Here we have different countermeasures, counter corrective actions. Action number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here you can see M1 is easy to implement, M2 is feasible, M3 is cost effective. Similarly, we can mention some selection criteria, and then we can give a score 1 to 10, and then we can define a total score. And likewise, you can select the corrective action, which one is a very good one. Higher the score, we can select the one which with a higher score. Then 6D and 7D is implement the corrective action and implement the preventive actions. So here we can use FME approach. We have already discussed this in earlier video, failure mode and effect analysis. And then we can also use PDCA approach to problem solving, and this is the systematic approach to problem solving. Sometimes it is called Deming wheel, and provide a framework for a team to carry out improvement and use together with the common QC tools. So here you can see you can do plan the activity or corrective action, and do means implement it, and then check whether it is going as per the plan or not, and then again take a counter corrective actions or measures to improve the system or a process. Then 8D is the team recognition. So after finalizing all documentation, you and management must finish in a style by showing your appropriate or your appreciation to the problem solving team, and you can give some prize or very motivating prizes or gifts to the team that can motivate the team, and you can recognize the team for doing such good activity. And this is the end of our 8D process. I hope you will like this video. Thank you very much and happy learning.